Brandon's gonna lower it on for the first time. Look how deep that jack point is from the front. Yeah, just let it go. Turn it all the way. Yeah, it's off now. I mean, just turn the pull more so it drops. And then pull it out. There you go. Alright. Yo, what is going on, you guys? So, we're here again. As you guys can see, you got the Civic Type R behind us, and it's in the air finally. Brandon's gonna do his first ever oil change. He got the car jacked up, or we finally figured out how to do it. To be honest, this car is super hard to jack up from the front because it doesn't really have a jacking point. The jack point is crazy deep inside, and you guys will see, you guys saw how far it is in there. And we didn't really have the right jack. Like, you need a really low and tall jack to finesse your way under there. So we had to improvise. At least we didn't jump it. You guys saw in the last video. And at least nothing happened to the car after jumping it. So now we're finally gonna actually start the process of the first oil change on the Civic Type R and for Brandon as well.
Get this metal tray off before we get to the oil tank and start, you know.
All right, this guy's a pro.
Yeah, come on. You know what it is. I've had this car for 2 months. I already know everything.
So this is Brandon's official
just first work on
your
a car
first
ever.
official working on a car in general.
Yeah.
Taking anything off.
Like anything. Without paying someone else to do it.
And doesn't get this everywhere. But just now it's pretty straightforward. It's just a 17mm bolt. Yeah, so it'll be the first time Brandon's done anything to the car. But anyways, the way we did this. It's interesting.
What's that?
I don't know.
You think you got scared?
Interesting.
You think you got scared?
Anyways, so the way to get under there, because the jacking point is all the way back here. So I don't know why we didn't think of it before. We did the ramps, as you guys saw, that whole thing, but just jacked up this high enough so we could fit the jack under there, and then we slowly got it up, finally on. So you just slowly undo it, and then you'll see where it drips, you know?
Yeah.
And then make sure that the thing is there, you know?
Wait.
It's here, right? It's the wrong way, bro.
Okay. It's my first time, bro.
You don't want to over tighten it. What's taking so long here?
I'm going slow, you know? Also, I've never done this before.
You guys are witnessing the slowest unscrew of a drain bolt.
I still don't see any oil come out. Oh, there we go. Ow!
Drop it. Lower the.
Ow! It's hot.
It's still hot.
Yeah. Is that usually what happens?
Yeah, but just wait for it. Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still pretty warm.
Yeah, but it's just warm. Yeah, there you go. You can touch it.
It's not killing me.
Pretty straightforward. Just take off this tray, and it's just a 17mm for the drain plug. Just take it out. I mean, easy stuff. Oil change, right? And then here we go. We got the mobile one. It's the 020, 6 quarts for the Type R. And then the oil filter. I guess online people say the OEM one sucks.
Yeah.
But whatever, this shit's the cheapest anyways. You go to Walmart. Alright, so we got the finished draining. We got the drain plug back in. Now Brandon's gonna take off his first oil filter. It's the same thing as like when the other thing comes out, you know? Like, just pay attention to it.
Yeah. It's so hard. Am I going the
Turning
wrong
it
way?
the right way, dude.
Am I going right?
I'm gonna use your head.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, but you're looking at it backwards.
Oh!
It's screwing onto the thing like this, so it'll be this way. Right? Like,
Yeah.
if you're putting it, it'll be this way.
Yeah, it's getting looser now. I'm stupid. Ow! Ow!
What?
Okay.
So open this,
Yeah.
and then just put your finger in and then put your finger on the rim of the filter. Damn, this guy is weak, man.
What the fuck?
Damn, dude.
We
You did
hit
it,
the gym.
dude.
Good thing I'm gonna go to the gym after.
Just poke a hole through the top.
And just.
Just put your finger and then just lube it up. Lube up the edge and then just screw it on.
Dude, it's essential, dude. Like in the.
No, on this part.
Oh,
On the
okay.
rubber. Just on the.
Like there?
Yeah, it's
Good.
fine now. Now you just screw it on.
Okay.
Yeah. Here we go. First filter, first. Now you're done after this.
Well, I just gotta put the oil, right?
Yeah. Lower the car again and then first oil change. Put the jack in all the way so it comes off the stand. And then we'll lower it onto a jack over here. We'll show you guys. So let's see if Brandon figured out. See if he's a little better at this now. He's getting the hang of it.
Right?
Yeah, you turn it all the way right till it
All the way
locks.
right, okay.
Yeah. So. Yeah, see, it's kind of annoying because the bumper's here and the jack's there. No, it's fine.
Okay.
Just pull the other one out. Pull the other stand out. Here, you do this and I'll lower it slowly.
Okay.
So now you want to put the jack under here and then we'll lower it onto there. So now we got this jack out because we got it lowered onto this one. Now just drop it relatively quick.
Oh.
Yeah. Does that have no wheels, dude? That's what I was saying. Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay, now we
Cool.
gotta.
Now just put the oil in.
I gotta put the oil in.
Alright, you guys, so here we go. First oil change done, 5.7 quarts of this Mobile One. And Brandon's first ever oil change.
Alright, so almost done.
How do you feel, dude? Finished, dude. Now you're done, dude.
Too many times to get this right.
Alright, you guys, so we finally got it done on the Civic Type R. Hopefully next video of this is not as boring. And hopefully Brandon's buying something cool for it that's interesting. Right, Brandon?
Yeah, hopefully it's not.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so until the next time we jump this bad boy, peace.